Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Wargrave in Berkshire today and want to show you around this lovely multi-purpose family room, fully completed now, and yeah, back here to show you around. So this project has so many great features on it, slightly tucked away behind the trees, which I really love. We completed this just before Christmas, and back now in August of 23. It's had that 6 months to kind of really cement down and feel really part of the room. That anthracite with the green you can see works so well. Got a little bit of extra height here because we're 2 meters away from the boundary, so we're able to go up to 3 meters, but we've just gone a small bit of height for a deeper roof, for a lovely roof like we got in the building. But let me take you around the outside first. We've got tri-sliding doors in the anthracite colour, as I said, with the V200 cladding. With a big wide building like that, that's really nice to have. Because of the pinch point of the room, we actually reduced the canopy down to 2.2 meters. But what they've done, they've actually put in patio beyond that, and a lovely Grillo Vantage Kitchen has been fitted. Another canopy with a Grillo kitchen from us. That was one we've done recently, is Berkhampstead. So that's worked really well. So that goes like beyond there, keeps you watertight, if you like, inside the canopy itself. So you could actually barbecue here in the comfort of not getting wet. Yet keeps a very big space. So if it was raining, you could actually have some tables and chairs and things here as well. Lovely patio work done by a local company, which we'll tag into. Thank you for them. Grillo kitchen fitted by them as well. Again, thank you to Grillo. And then as we come back to the room, these tri-sliding doors, you can see this lovely reflection. That's the anti-sun grey glass that we've got into there. And what an amazing room we have inside here. So open up the doors fully. First thing that strikes you is the lovely bold colours here. Wanted a bit of that colour ivy feel of this building. I've got to say the client has mastered that perfectly. The kitchen, absolutely stunning. We weren't particularly involved in this. Again, it was a local company. I put a tag into them. Client was loving what they've done. A couple of lovely features I'll show you in a second. But before that, they also fitted in the antique mirror splashback. Lovely setup. I love these colours of this gold and the anthracite here, and this what appears to be a flush wall cupboard. So what we've done is made the toilet quite a bit bigger than you would normally need, and that's been able to set that unit into it. If you come into the room, that's utilised the space here. So if I come around here, hello, you can see that this bit here is actually where that unit sits, but it's given us some shelving along there, and also a nice big space in the room, and there's going to actually be some really nice big mirror there and some colours that the clients are looking to do. We've then installed this unit for the plumbing side of it, so we did handle the plumbing in this room, and again it kind of matches perfectly with the kitchen. Inside the room, a lovely big TV. Actually got this set up as a cinema room as well with the Sonos. Let me just press play so you can just get a feel of the size of it. I won't do the sound, but we've got the Sonos soundbar sitting down there along with the sub, and then some speakers in the background here that actually give that full feeling. So it's just a great multi-purpose space. They've got 2 daughters in their, I think around the teenage years, and they're both fighting over this room all the time. Christmas was spent in here, and of course the one thing I haven't mentioned yet is that big flood of light coming in from the M-glaze roof light. You've got the LED lighting that's been installed on there along with the backwash lighting as well. So just a really lovely room, really lovely feel in here. Self-contained with the toilet, basin, and then this great kitchen area as well, and then with the tri-sliding doors open, a great view out into the property. So I just think it's absolutely stunning. Client's done a great job of furnishing this, as I knew she would when I saw their house, but I think that's got a great feel and look about it, don't you? So I think it's really exciting when clients utilise the room in so many different ways. So from a cinema room, a family room for Christmas, through to that garden entertainment space linked with the Grillo kitchen and the canopy. Yeah, so there you go. That's our 6.5 by 4.5. So we're maxing out the 30 square metre rules on the room. Then with the 2.2 by 4.5 canopy, self-contained, multi-purpose family room over here in Wargrave. Hope you like this project. Let us know your thoughts on it. Please like, subscribe and share what we do. We really do appreciate that, and thank you for watching.